Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to install ChatGPT. So there is two way. In mobile, you have to go to Google Play Store or App Store. Then you have to write ChatGPT, and you can install the ChatGPT easily. But in computer, you have to go to the ChatGPT first. After go to ChatGPT, you have to click on three dot, which is top right corner, the Google Chrome three dot, and then you have to go to save and share. This one, save and share. Then you'll find here create shortcut. Click on create shortcut, and you have to click on open as window, then click on create. After that, your check back that your ChatGPT has been installed in your computer. You can double click and access to your ChatGPT. Okay, so this is how you can install ChatGPT. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.